Hello, welcome to another awesome JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how we can get and set value of an element of HTML in JavaScript. Okay. First thing what you need to do is create your element. Okay. Now I'm gonna create a div tag. If you guys know how we work with HTML, then you must know what is div tag. Div tag is basically used to make the layout of our website. I'm gonna make a div tag. I'm gonna make its ID. I'm gonna say txt or whatever the ID name you want to put in here. I'm gonna close this div tag, and between the div tag I'm gonna say this is the text. Let's me render it in our browser. You can see this is the text. Oops, this is the text here. I want to get this value and alert it using JavaScript. I want to get this value through the JavaScript and alert it. Okay. In the first or second lecture in this course, I told you about DOM. We write JavaScript when DOM is loaded. So it is good if we write our JavaScript after this div tag. Okay. I told you that some people do write this after when DOM loads, but if you are writing JavaScript code using a framework like jQuery, or there are many frameworks out there, jQuery is the most popular I think, then you don't need to do this. You don't need to wait for DOM to load. You can write jQuery before the DOM loads and it will work awesome. Okay, but in the JavaScript sometimes it doesn't work. What you need to do is just let this div load first and then let your JavaScript load then. Okay. Okay, now I want to get this text and show it using an alert. What we need to do is just first get this div tag. To get this div tag, we use a function called get element by id. All you need to do is just write document dot get element by id, and between these parentheses enter the id of your div tag. This document means this whole page from here to here, this whole document. We are saying that get element by its id from the document. Okay, so pass the id. The id of our div tag is txt. I'm gonna copy and paste it here. Now we have successfully got our div tag. Now what we want to do, we want to get its text which is here. To get its text, what you need to do is just type dot inner html. Inner html means this, the text between these two tags, or in this div, you can say the text between in these two tags or in the div is called inner html in JavaScript. Okay, inner html basically means the text which is in a div. Okay, simply, or any element, in a table, in a span, or in a div. Okay, inner html means the text that is in an element. Okay, now we have successfully got the our inner html, and we want to save this inner html in a variable. Now first create a variable. I'm gonna say it x. You can say anything you want. I'm gonna say x is equal to document get element by id txt inner html. Inner html will be saved in x. All we need to do is just alert this x. Now it's gonna show this value by the alert box. Check this out. This is the text. This value is showing by the alert box. Basically, what I want to teach you in this tutorial is how we can get the value of an element. This is the way we get the value of an element. Basically, to get the element, we just write a command or get element by id and then its id, and then writing dot, we can manipulate this element or any element, div element or table element. We can change its color, we can change its style, we can change its css, we can do it many things with it. In the upcoming tutorials I will show you how we can do that. Okay, now next what I want to do, I want to change its value. This is the text. I want to say this is the new text. Okay, I want to change its value. All I need to do is um we don't need to assign this value to x now, because we are gonna change this value, not gonna alert this value. All we need to do is just first get its inner HTML and then type equal sign, and between double quotes write the new value that you want to be in here. I want to say that this is the new text, or updated text, just updated text. Now it will say updated text. Let me refresh this. You can say updated text. The original value is this is the text, but we used JavaScript to change this value. What we used a command that get by ID, and then write the ID, and then we say that inner HTML means the text in a div, and we're gonna say it is equal to updated text, and will become equal to updated text. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys understand how we can get a text or set a text of an element. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.